Today we will be testing the signal moving average. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the signal moving average. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 55 different strategies, with 13 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 748 indicators, with 300 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested 8 different winning indicators. 4 of them have maintained the winning status. The best one, a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the signal moving average. You can see it here on screen. Let me scroll back a little bit here just to make it a little bit easier to see. So basically this is a moving average of sorts. You can see that it acts a little bit different than your standard moving average. And as you could probably guess, what we are looking for is when we get, well, not necessarily the break of the moving average. That's not necessarily what we are looking for. Let me do this. Let me go in and turn off the price action bars there for just a moment. And so what we are looking for is actually this cloud that forms right here above and below this moving average. And so that is the actual signal that we are looking for to go either short or to go long. And so when we get a red cloud below the moving average and the moving average is red colored, then we are going to go short. And so let me do this. Let me see if we can't bump up. There we go. All right, perfect. And so you see right here in this instance, we get a little bit of a break to the downside there with the cloud, and we start to get a breakdown with the cloud right here. But the moving average doesn't actually turn to red until right here. And so that's what we're looking for, is the double kind of confirmation. The green cloud with the green moving average, the red cloud with the red moving average line. And so that will give us our long and our short signals. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. You see that we start getting a push to the downside here with the moving average. We then pick up the red cloud right here, but it isn't until this point right here that we actually get the moving average to confirm that the direction is actually downward in the movement here. We entered there, and a really nice push to the downside there would have gotten us to our take profit for sure. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. You can see that we move quite a ways there, but then we finally pick up this green cloud with the green moving average confirming there. And we get a little bit of sideways movement there before a little push down and then a spike to the upside there. That definitely would have come up and got us to our take profit right there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'm going to give a quick shout out to our Discord server here. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel on our Discord server, where we have a private channel set up for all of our patrons to take advantage of, where we post some really great advanced information here about trading strategies and trading analysis in general. This is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting every single day that the market is open, Forex analysis, posting these charts, showing exactly where he has areas of interest marked out and support and resistance. Sometimes even when he is taking trades, giving ideas of particular trades, and then calling them out when he actually jumps into them. There is a ton of benefits just watching Sasquatch and watching his analysis that he puts up with these charts here, and just being able to follow along with him. That right there is extremely valuable, all in all. Then you have Jay. He is our admin. He is posting some really great futures analysis, also putting up charts where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and exactly where he may or may not be taking trades, and so on. That also adds even more benefit to the Patreon only channel, as well as some of the other members, and just general discussions and the ability to have a little bit more in-depth knowledge or opportunity to ask myself or Jay or Sasquatch a little bit more information if you are interested in kind of excelling your trading knowledge or taking the next step in the right direction. And so there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back. All right, so we have 4 different trades there, 4 different signals, and we have 3 of them are winners, and so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for. The kind of issues that I see with this one is, one, it doesn't give very many trades within the 1 year's time. And the other issue that I see is that it seems to be really delayed in calling out where you should be entering into a trade. Now, maybe if you drop this down into a lower time frame, it could work out a little bit better for you, possibly get those entries dialed in a little bit more. But as it stands on the daily, you can see that right here, for example, we get a really massive push down right there in price action, and it drops about 1,400 pips before the indicator actually picked up that it should be entering into the trade there. And so now we might test this another way to see if we can't kind of shave some of this timing off of it and see if it still is able to maintain the win rate. But again, you can see right here there is a really extensively long uptrend taking place right here, and it isn't until the very end of it that the indicator finally realized that there was a kind of an uptrend actually taking place. And so that can be super problematic if you are trying to get in at decent times to ride out as much of these moves as you can. So nonetheless, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next video from here.